Hi guys, here we are in South Africa looking at this beautiful example of a Maxim 400 power cat up in the Garden Route area, truly beautiful part of the country. She has been rigged out to do long range sports fishing and is used as a gentleman's cruiser. She has a significant amount of rod holders, rocket launchers, also has the outriggers, lovely double helm position, one on the flybridge and of course in the normal cockpit area. That aft deck would be really useful if for no other reason for braaiing or just sitting around. In this case it's clearly been used as the fighting area, fighting big fish. Sugar scoops are easy to access on a Maxim. Judging from the videos, she appears to be, or the hull appears to be in extremely good condition. I haven't personally been aboard her, but I really like what I see so far. There's plenty of space down the gunnels, and the helm position, having been aboard the sailing version of this, I do know it's very good, and you've got a lovely 360-degree view. Particularly like the trampolines. A lot of power cats don't have trampolines, but this particular one is designed for open ocean use. So yes, that would certainly be a good way to go. She has an electric windlass for deploying and retrieving the anchor. We're on the flybridge now, and you might notice that there's no steering wheel. And the way the boat is controlled from the flybridge is through the autopilot, which is quite a unique way of doing it. The radar is a Ray Marine. It's a 40 nautical mile networked radar. The cockpit area is a typical layout for this type of vessel. You've got a beam of just short of 7 meters, so there's a great deal of space and seating in this area. You're also well protected with the solid bimini. You notice that there's a forward-facing screen that will be blocking out a lot of the elements, particularly not even in inclement weather, but at night when you're getting a lot of dew or mist spray coming through that portion, doing night watches, getting cold and wet is no fun. Saloon area, well tried and tested layout. U-shaped galley. This one's got a 4-burner hob, oven, single sink, drip tray area, deep freeze, a built-in opening from the top. It's a comprehensive control panel, 12-volt switching, 220 switching, and of course the battery management systems. Just a different angle again. I'm going to drop down into the port hull, which is the owner's hull. Up forward we've got a kid's berth or storage berth, and here we have the double, I think it's about a queen size or even larger bed for the owner. Moving aft, we've got a decent sized head with plenty of elbow room. back across the bridge deck, and we now drop into the starboard hull. Starboard has a double cabin aft and another double cabin up forward, with a walk-through head that we're going to see shortly. So the boat is a 3-cabin version with 2 heads. So now we're moving into the heads section with its dual doors, and again a very big double berth with a storage area / kids berth up forward. Yeah guys, so that is the Maxim 400.